comfort and superior foot protection using three-way cushioning with aerogel. Axel Footwear, total comfort system.
Folks, like us on Facebook, facebook.com/ShakeKeysVLeague, and keep in touch with everything that's happening in the league we all love. And it is now time for our Shake Keys Face of the Day, and we have found her. It's Princess Catherine L. Simpelo. She's 19 years old from Taytay, Rizal. Malapit lang kay Lamos ito. At she gets to take home a pizza. Buti pa siya. Maya-maya, darating yung pizza natin.
Kapit-bahay ko lang pala eh.
Oh, ikaw
Pwede mag-share.
taga-Taytay. Oh, siya taga-Taytay, ako taga-Antipolo. Lahat tayo taga-Region 4.
Oy, huling-huli ka sir.
Oh, ano pa rin tayo? Probinsyano pa rin tayong lahat, ano? Wala tayo sa NCR. This is an intense rally right now, Johan Bulag! And Cecil Cruzada will dream about that one tonight. That is an intense hit there. Nice setup here. Tina Salak, who settled down right now as the center. That's a knockdown blow. Now Army up by 3. Michelle Carolino, Suzanne Roses, Joanna Botor Carpio, Nerissa Bautista again on the attack. And Patricia Shetan Torres tried her best to keep that one alive.
Kulang lang ng one step
Right.
eh. But she's been really doing great. Doing her job well as the libero of the Army.
Quick hit there coming from Balsa, denied by Laborte. And now Prochina denies.
Alam mo yun, kahit hindi na masyadong mataas yung talon.
Right.
But there. And speaking about timing,
Wow.
again, big Laborte.
Look
as
at
you
this.
see, unorthodox hit, but, you know,
Patating pa lang ang depensa, papalo na siya eh.
mabilis talaga pumalo si Michelle.
Right.
That's why mahirap kunin yung palo niya. And plus, yun ba may factor pa siya niya, parang no look.
Oo.
Yung hindi mo alam kung saan dadalhin.
Mayat Carolina, however, gets the point back.
No look hit.
Si Mayat Carolina, yan ang maganda, no? She does it so deadly. It's like the older version of Phil English when she's in there. Ito si Mayat Carolino. No nonsense. Little bit of a smile here and there. And Vic Laborte continues to contort.
Talaga eh. That's true. Kaya ang galing ko sa
And a lifting violation here, it appears, will be called out. Double touch against Prochina.
And my Prochina has been playing since the first set. Talagang credit that to her. Yan, may siguro yung training rin nila
Right.
sa Army,
That's
sa
right. Sa Navy.
sa Air Force. Saka they have their own tournament within eh. Yung magkakalap.
Now Navy starting to fall apart there as Cruzada will miss. 4-point lead now for Army. And thanks to our friends on Mikasa with the NBA 300, the new official game ball of the Shake Keys V-League Season 8. More intense rallies and more thrills with the Mikasa NBA 300. That one right in, and Bautista with a misread.
And this time, it's the Philippine Army with that bonus point off the serve in a critical time. Ito naman, di ba, kanina, nangyari yan dun sa Navy.
3 straight points now para sa kupunan ng Philippine Army. Joanna Botor Carpio. And Prochina out of nowhere will say, remember this one, Michelle?
That's right. Nakita mo yung bigat ng palo mo. Ibang klase.
That is a hammer shot
Sila
there.
yan, magkakasama sila, Nene Ibanez, and Mayi, Monit, Prochina.
King Balsa will get the point back. So in the end game, 3 points away from tying us up. Itong Philippine Army, they're up by 5. And Balsa hasn't even been, you know, yung sporadic pa yung
Yes.
puntos dito ni Balsa. It's
Right.
been all Michelle Carolino, Mayat Carolino, and Dalia Cruz. And of course, great setting by Tina Salak. Carpio has to attack. Tina Salak on the back set ngayon to Dalia Cruz. Nice dig there by Galido. Here's Cruzada. And that will drop in for Cecil Cruzada.
Not enough coverage on the side of the Army on that last play.
And now Mikmik Laborte trying to rally the troops back. We can actually use the word troops already here.
Pwede. Swak na swak.
Rally the troops back from a 4-point lead. Dina Salak!
And this is what you get from Adina Salak. Look how tall she is, long arms. So,
5'10".
yeah, it makes it look so easy.
Well, it's not every day that the tallest member of your first six is the setter. And that is Tina Salak right there. Galido, Carpio, running attack from Roses. And Roses says, ba't kailangan nakahawak ng bola? Boy, Roses scored heavily in the first part of the second set. That is her first point since. So 23-19, this still isn't over. Cecil Cruzada had that service ace earlier to end the first set. Tries to go for distance this time. Torres is there. Salak goes to Michelle Carolino. Here's Carpio for Bautista. Off the block. And that is kept alive momentarily. It will not work. So Navy is down by
The
3.
Navy, that's right. Not giving up.
And Army has yet to use a timeout here. Here is the serve from Cruzada. Bunag. Salak too near the net. Carolina went behind the antenna.
And that's a violation.
And now a timeout here for Corporal Rico de Guzman as the lead is shrunk to just 2. 23-21. Cruzada. Her team is down by 2.
Oh, nice serve again coming from Cruzada.
And here is Carolino! Michelle Carolino. If Suzanne Roses was the MVP of the first set, Michelle Carolino is now shaping up to be the MVP of the second set for Army, and they are now at set point. They have 3 set points. Salak. Carpio for Roses on the delay. Roses. Carpio. Bautista turned back, and they only needed 1. The Philippine Army ties it up at 1 set apiece by coming from behind and taking set number 2, 25-21. They were down by as much as 5 points ng 10-5 by Mosi. But again, yung resilience nga nitong taga-Army is good, especially with our shake in play. The defense of the Philippine Army making its presence felt. We'll be back. Stay with us. Perfect.